Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to English Tutorials Grade 8. Children, in previous video we had started our first poem, that is The Power of Music, written by Mr. Sukumar Ray. In previous video we had read that one protagonist is there, our protagonist Mr. Bhishma Lochan Sharma. He is in habit of singing continuously. He never takes care whether anyone is being irritated, whether he is teasing someone or someone is happy with his singing. He believes in his talent although no talent was there. So he was an unstoppable singer, and people used to get irritated by his singing, and they have pleaded many times that please stop singing, we are going to die now. Let's read the poem. Children, we are on page number 12 of your reader book. Let's get started. The bullock carts are overturned. The bullock carts, the bullock carts are also upset. They are thinking to go reverse. And horses line the roadside. Horses have also made lines on the roadside. They are also reluctant to move. But Bhishma Lochan, unconcerned, goes booming out his broadside. But Bhishma Lochan is singing loudly, continuously, and is doing aggressive attack of his words, of his singing to the listeners. The wretched brutes resent the blare the hour. They hear it sounded. Now people are feeling unhappy without reason. He is singing so loudly, even without taking care whether people are paying attention or not, whether people are happy with his singing or not. And means without reason he is singing again and again continuously. They whine in high pitch, they are crying, they are complaining with cry. whine means in high pitch, complaining cry. They are crying, they are complaining, and stare with feet in air or wonder, quite confounded. They are so confused. Why is he singing so loudly? Even we have stopped him many a times. The fishes dived below. See, the fishes are also not able to understand. The fishes are also not able to tolerate his singing. So they have also dived below the lake in frantic search for silence. They have become mentally unstable. So they are also going down the ponds, down the lakes, and why? In search of silence. The very trees collapse and shake. Now it's turn for nature. Trees are also shaking. They are also colliding to each other. You hear the crash a mile hence, and undoubtedly they are falling down. So definitely we can listen, we can feel the sound of their falling down. They are being crashed, and we can also listen to their sounds. Further, hence in the sky the feathered fly turn turtle while they are winging. The impact was not only on bullock carts, the impact was not only on human beings, not only on fish, not only on trees, but now it's turn for flying birds as well. The flying birds were also going in upward direction. They were flying, they were going somewhere, they were going means they might be they were coming down also, but when they listened to the singing they went upward back. Again we cry, we are going to die, oh won't you stop your singing. Now again people are pleading that we are going to die because of your singing. Why don't you stop it until we die? Then you will stop. So children, people are pleading that is Will you stop singing or not? Because now the time has come that we are going to die. But Bhishma's soared beyond our reach. His high pitch was beyond our reach, means we couldn't stop him. However, we plead and grumble, both the ways we have adopted. Plead, we have requested many a times, and grumble, we have complained also, but he has no effect. He is unconcerned, unstoppable. Further, the welkin weeps to hear his screech, and mighty mansions tumble. Even the sky weeps to hear his high-pitched sound, and mighty, big, large mansions also, they were also falling down. But now there comes a Billy Goat. Billy Goat is courageous one. He comes to protect himself as well as others. What does he do? A most sagacious fellow, the goat was very wise. He downs his horns and charges straight. The goat made her ready in this position. Children, you can see how the goat is being ready. Her head is down and horn straight. Now, horn will do the magic. So, a most sagacious fellow charges straight with bellow, answering bellow. With equal roar, she goes down and give a hit to him. The strains of songs are tossed and whirled by blast of brutal violence. Now he forgot his singing because he was hit hard by the god, and all the words and lyrics were tossing here and there. Now they were not understandable. And Bhishma Lochan grants the world the golden gift of silence. Because of that god, he gave a gift which was desperately needed by the world, and that was silent. So, children, we have completed our poem. I hope you enjoyed it as well as understood it. Now it's time to revise the poem, and soon the notes will be available to you. Till then, read the poem and go through with the vocabulary and the difficult words which are mentioned in the poem. Thank you.